Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Harman Kardon Fly ANC headphones to any Android phone or tablet. So first of all, we have to find the right headphone and we have to use this power button. So let's activate. As you can see, this indicator is blinking. So right now we have to find the Bluetooth button. It will be located right here. Click on it once. And right now, indicator, it's blinking. So right now we are in the pairing mode. So we have to go to the Bluetooth settings on our device. Click to pair new device. And now select headphones from the list. Accept the pairing. As you can see, it's some kind of the information that's a pairing issue, so I can recommend you to turn them off and turn them on back. Let's see if right now everything works fine. Let's manually select them from the list. Click connect. Yeah, let's accept this pairing request one more time. And right now we are successfully connected. And the next step, you have to go to the Play Store and get this application. So we have to get this application. That's the full name of the app. So let's install. Right now, let's open. We have to grant the location access. And right now, we can click on the plus. It is searching for our headphones, but we are already connected, so there we are. We can skip this step. Okay, let's click next. We have to tap on the EQ button. I'm gonna click on the right upper corner to skip this quick guide because we don't need actually this feature. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.